Higher. Stop. Higher. Higher. What are you? Higher. What are you talking about? So you see it on the title already. $100 steak. It's actually $114. Don't ask me why I'm doing it. Why aren't you doing it? Because you don't got it like that? I understand you, little bro. First, what I did was cut my vegetables. I had pears, jalapenos, tomatoes, and potatoes. I cut the pears in slices, took out the cores, then I sliced them. Don't worry about how I'm cutting these. Then I had the jalapenos. I cut them lengthwise so I could get the whole surface area for the sandwich. And then I had the tomatoes, regular tomato slices. Simple, feel me? Now with the potatoes, I did a small cuts of fries, batinettes. If you don't remember it, go on my cooking class, feel me? Then I cut my herbs. I have thyme, rosemary, and oregano. 3/4 of the packages, I missed them, and I saved the rest for the steaks. I have an aioli, mayo, ketchup, garlic, lemon juice, herbs, and seasonings. If you don't know what those seasonings are, onion powder, paprika, garlic, salt, and pepper. Recipes on the website, go check that out. After I did my seasonings, then I did my compound butter. It's regular butter unsalted, add the herbs, like that, you straight. Then, after I did all my cuts and my prep, I did the cooking part. For the cooking, fuck, let me do the cooking part, hold on. Where the paper at? So for the cooking part, make sure you sear your bacon. Whoa. This nigga don't even know how to write. I'm just freestyle. Make sure you sear your bacon first. I got turkey bacon, by the way. Shout out my Muslim. You, nigga. So cook the bacon on all sides, then you add brown sugar to it. We cooked all the vegetables, which is the pears, onions, the jalapenos. We cooked the french fries, tossed it in seasonings and some herbs, and you straight. Best fries ever. Then it's left for the steaks. We seared it with our seasonings that we had, both sides. Sear on one side, add butter, base it, flip it, sear, take it out. That's your medium rare. If you don't know what medium rare is, 3 to 5 minutes on high heat. Medium to high heat, we'll be straight. Everything is cooked, everything is done. We're gonna form our sandwiches now. Butter spread. Spread the butter on the sandwiches, toast it, aioli, then your steaks, your bacon, your cheese. By the way, that's taleggio. Shout out taleggio. Then you have your lettuce, tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, pears. I'm not probably gonna go in order, but you see what I'm getting at, right? Then your french fries all the way up top. Close that bitch, and look at this cross section. Higher. Stop. Higher. 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 Try this out. Let's try this out real quick.